YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'll be making a wig today and I'll be installing it on my friend. She ordered some hair from BAHW on Aliexpress, and this is the listing of what she got. I think it was $83.79, give or take tax. I could be wrong. It says that it's Malaysian body wave and it's a closure with 3 bundles. It came in this UPS bag. Got in, I think it's 12, 14, 16, and 18. The closure is 12 inches. The bundle is 18, 16, 14, and 12 inches for the false lashes. I will show you all the install. So first off, I'll be unwrapping the bundles and everything so that I can wash them and I can get all an up close view of the hair. This is it. This is the 18-inch bundle. It seems about true to length. The weft is a little too thick at the top. In my opinion, this is the thicker one of the 3 bundles. It feels thicker to me. Alright, so I'll be taking this shampoo to wash it.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. It feels like baby, I swear, it's like I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now?
clutch bag boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long.